on the journey of becoming a 7-figure trader, I love the journey, man. I love the journey. You have to love the journey. If you don't love the journey, then you'll never get where you want to go. On this journey, I had a lot of struggles. I had a lot of ups and downs. But I just know one day, God's going to bless me for sure. And everything I asked for is already done. So for whoever's watching these videos, make sure to keep on pushing, put God first, and like, comment, subscribe on my journey. Okay, how you guys doing today, man? It's a new day, man. So let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. So today, I had a wonderful trade. I was just taking, honestly, scalps, but I had a trade on AUDJPY. I had a trade on NAS and I had a trade on gold. Honestly, I wasn't supposed to trade all those pairs. It's just I seen a nice trade on AUDJPY. I hit my TP, but the thing is I did take out early because I did see a retracement. Because honestly, that wasn't really the pair I wanted to enter on, but it was still a pair that actually, still worked out in my favor. So I'm about to go over the trades with y'all, so let's get to it. But yeah, so basically, look, I'm gonna show you guys my thought process. So basically, if we go on a 1 hour time frame, we obviously see that price was coming back down, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, made a double bottom, pushed all the way up. We took these highs out, but we're at a high. Price action always needs to make higher lows, but every time price is at a high, it comes back to retrace. It can either come back to make a higher low or smash these lows to make another lower low to make a lower high. So basically, that was my thought process here. I'm like, okay, price is already at a high. I want to see the retracement, so that's why I dove into the 15-minute time frame, where I obviously see that, okay, we're at a high. It didn't make another higher high and a higher low, so that's where my strategy comes in. I go to the 5-minute time frame and I draw my trend line. I call it my trap zone, because when price is trapped, it stays within the trend line. When it wants to break out, it breaks out and it goes the other way. So I want to sell that breakout. So once I seen that, I said, okay, I want to sell this. Thing is, I was waiting to put on more lot size because I wanted to see another lower high form, but it didn't. It just impulsively just kept on selling down, and I took out on this candle right here, which is still hit my TP. My TP was right here. I should have held. So that's one lesson I need to learn, just to keep on holding and just keep on trusting my analysis, So I took that trade, half profit, which is cool. On gold, I took this. I was in for a sale before news came out, but it'll probably stop me out. So that's why I stopped myself out. And then I waited for a lower high, and I entered on the 1-minute time frame once I seen that price was making another lower high. So I seen price make another lower high. So I said, okay, cool. I'm gonna enter, put my stop loss right above these imbalances right here. It came back to the 50% level, which is cool. So that's why I said, okay, cool. I'm gonna definitely hit that sell button. I hit that sell and it sold off. I honestly, on this one, I should have held 2 for my TP, but I gotta learn how to just hold for my TPs, bro. I took out earlier, bro, so I could have had more profit if I just waited, bro. I just took out at a 1 to 2, so I gotta learn to actually hold my trades. And honestly, I just gotta get better. So those are my trades that I'm about to go hop in this hot tub, bro. Okay, so basically on the last trade I took was on AUDJPY. It was a wonderful trade, but there was some things I could have done way much better. Was basically hold the trade and not think about trying to take out just for profit. So that's one lesson I need to learn. And that's actually one lesson that you guys should learn too, that don't look at the profit, just trust your analysis and trust that it will play out in the end. Comment down below if this is bringing you value. So right now it's about 2:26 right now, 2:26 a.m. Yeah, like I said, man, I'm on gold right now. As we see, that price is, we started actually shifting back to the downside, then we shifted to the back to the zone, we bounced back up, but then we shifted structure back up. So right now I'm waiting for a retrace back into the zone and probably look for a buy, because as you can see, that price on a 1 hour, bro, we're still bullish, bro. There's no sales. Okay, just because we have a retracement right here, we're still within this range and we're still within my trend line zone. So once I drag this trend line right here, we're still within the zone. So I'm still looking for pushes, I'm still looking for buys. Go down 30-minute time frame. All we're doing is retracing right now, going to 15-minute time frame, retracing back into that zone. And once we see a nice retracement back, see right now price is selling back into the zone. So if you want to sell, you can sell. With me, I would wait until price actually gets into that zone to look for a nice continuation buy, and so we can buy back up all the way possibly to these highs up here. So once that happens, I'm gonna definitely be in the trade. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but I'm gonna stay up, and you know, hopefully we get it. So I'm gonna see you guys soon. Alright, what's up with y'all? So I just woke up, bro. Today's about 7 o'clock. I mean, it's about 7 a.m. right now. Today's a Friday, bro. So honestly, today I'm not really trading today. I'm gonna wait till next week. Wait till next week to take any trades I want to take. On Fridays, but I mean, I don't really like to trade Fridays because it's like, it's the end of the week. So sometimes volatility comes in, sometimes volume comes into the market. But honestly, me, bro, I just like to chill out on Fridays. I already had a wonderful week this week. Shut up. I already had a wonderful week this week, you know. So I'm just gonna just be patient. That's where discipline and patience comes in, bro. If you're not patient, if you're not disciplined, bro, in these markets, bro, then you're never gonna be successful, you know. So honestly, I gotta go over these trades that I took this week. I gotta journal my trades. I gotta write down my goals for the day, write down my goals for this year. Also, I gotta go to the gym today. So I got a lot of things I gotta do today. But honestly, I just know that I'm gonna keep on pushing, bro. It doesn't matter how hard it gets. It doesn't matter about the lows. I just know that it's gonna be higher highs real soon. You know, I don't care about how many lows I've been through. As long as I keep on getting up, bro, persevering every day, and that God's gonna bless me, you know. So today's gonna be a wonderful day. Today, I have a delivery coming in. Hopefully it comes in today, bro. I pray it comes in today. But more blessings on the way, man. And one day, if you guys keep on pushing towards your goals, but you're gonna get it for sure. Don't worry about the females. Don't worry about anybody else. Just focus on your family, you, yourself, and God, number one. So I'm gonna see you guys soon.